There's two ways to clear cache on your Android tablet, either by clearing app cache for each individual app, or you can do sort of a master cleanup with just one click. I'll show you both options. To clear cache for a specific app, you can go to Settings and then from the left sidebar, scroll down to Apps. Then choose any app from the list, and from the app info that opens up, scroll down and tap Storage. This will show a breakdown of the storage consumed by this particular app, and on the bottom you can tap Clear Cache. There's another button for clearing data. Don't touch that unless you want to be logged out and lose all your app settings. So that's how you'd clear this for individual apps. Go through the list and clear the ones you want. You might notice that not all apps have cache to clear, so if the button isn't available, it means there's no cache to clear. If I go under Device Care on my sidebar, I can do a bigger cleanup with just one tap. I'll go to Memory, and here there's like a big blue button saying Clean Now. This will basically clean up the background memory and free up everything that's available to be cleared. It doesn't delete files or anything like that, just eliminates background processes that might be taking up resources on your tablet. On Samsung devices, this is under Device Care. But if you're on a Pixel or a different type of Android tablet, you might find this in a different place. And that's how you clear cache on your tablet. Click the like button if this helped you and subscribe for more easy guides like this.